Namaste. What is MS Paint? Microsoft Paint is a simple graphics editor that has been included in all versions of Microsoft Windows. The program opens and saves file in Windows bitmap, BMP, GIF, PNG, JPEG, and single page TIFF formats. MS Paint is the basic tool that is present in every Windows software. MS Paint is used to color, draw, and edit pictures. The program can be in color mode or in black and white mode. It became popular among the early Windows users as it allowed them to paint on computers. Let's learn more about it and how to open MS Paint. The following are the steps to open MS Paint. To open MS Paint, click on the window button that is on the bottom left of the monitor. Click on all apps, scroll down to window accessories, open the accessories folder, select MS Paint. Tools of MS Paint. There are various tools of MS Paint. You can make easy drawings and with MS Paint on computer or computer. Some of these are listed below. Pencil is used to draw lines or draw freehands with different colors. Eraser. The eraser allows us to erase the part that we don't want. Brush. The tool provides various varieties of brushes which can be used to enhance our drawing. This allows us to type the text directly on the picture. Airbrush. It allows us to spray over the part with color of our choice. Airbrush tool. Color palette. This provides us with various choices of colors. Magnify. It allows us to zoom in or zoom out of an image. Rectangle. It allows us to draw rectangles of equal length and breadth on the picture. Line. The line tool of line helps us to draw straight line, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanted lines, etc. Curve. It allows us to draw curves. Features of MS Paint window. MS Paint window. File tab. The file tab includes options such as save as, etc. Home tab. It includes tabs such as brushes. Includes tools. It includes tools such as brushes, shapes, colors, image erasers, fill tools, airbrushes, view with dual tabs. It includes tools such as zoom out, zoom in, status bar, ruler, etc. Home tab groups, home tab of MS Paint, clipboard of MS Paint. Cut. This is used to cut the selection from active document. Copy. This is used to copy the selection. Paste. This is used to paste. Image group in the home tab of MS Paint. Select. This is used to select part of the picture to move or cut or move or copy or edit. Crop. It is used to crop part of a picture. Resize. It is used to resize picture. Rotate. It is used to rotate the picture. Tools of MS Paint. Tools in the home tab of MS Paint. Fill with color. This is used to fill color in drawings. Pencil tool. It is used to draw lines with different colors. Brushes tool. It is used to select the brush shapes, apply color to the image. Eraser tool. It is used to erase color, erase errors or parts of a drawing. Magnify. It is used to zoom in or zoom out of an image. Text tool. It is used to type text. AI dropper. It is used to select an example color sample in MS Paint. Shapes in the tab of MS Paint. Let us discuss few shapes below, which are majorly line. This is used to draw a line. Curve. This is used to draw a curved line. Rectangle. This is used to draw a rectangle. Polygon. This is used to draw a polygon. Ellipse. A circle. This is used to draw an ellipse. Draw a rectangle. This is used to draw a round rectangle. Color in MS Paints. Colors in the tab of MS Paint. Let us discuss the color tab below. In the color palette, it is the place where which you can select colors, edit colors. It is used to edit colors. Color box. By default, it has two colors, black and white. But you can go change to shortcut keys. Control plus C is used to copy. Control plus C used to print. Control plus A used to select all. C. Control plus Z is used to undo. Control plus S is used to save. Control plus V is used to paste. Sample questions. What is MS Paint? Which is MS Paint present? Where is MS Paint present? MS Paint is a software present on Windows which is used to draw pictures. MS Paint is present in every Windows software. It helps us to draw pictures and edit pictures. It is inbuilt in every Windows running system. How many steps are involved in opening MS Paint? What helps us when we have opened MS Paint? There are roughly 5 major steps that are involved. They are opening Windows icon. Click on all apps, click on window accessories, open the accessories folder, select MS Paint. The things that helps us in MS Paint are the tools that it provides. For example, pencil, brush, eraser, which of the following software plans replaced MS Paint in Windows 10? The answer is Paint 3D. which file do we have to select to open MS Paint and what is the function of MS Paint. We have to select Windows Access and then we have to select MS Paint to start operations. The primary function of MS Paint is to allow its user to draw and edit pictures. Which tool allows us the user to directly draw a picture on a tab. Draw a picture, brush, pencil, do above text. What are the steps to open MS Paint? Which tools provide us with different color options? Summary: MS Paint is software present in Windows. It allows us to draw pictures and edit them. It provides us with various tools which helps in making our work easy. It also provides us with a variety of options to draw, edit, color, and send our files to anyone we want. We can also customize our drawings with the help of various tools and features provided by MS Paint. Is MS Paint free to use? Yes, MS Paint is free to use. It is inbuilt in Windows software. No cost has to be paid by Visual for using MS Paint. Is there on every Windows computer. As the company has it pre-installed on the software. You can download your brush from home if you want to. Paintbrush if you want to. Is it hard to access MS Paint? No, absolutely not. Its layout is very easy and not difficult to understand or operate. Mostly beginners you prefer to use MS Paint as it is used to access and get hold of. Is there another way we can use SMS Paint? Yes, we can. If you click on the home button, your search bar will appear. There we can simply search for Paint and access it from there. Illustrate the potential of MS Paint. Paint is simple and cost effective. It is easy to learn and pre-install the computers that run on the Windows system. The tools of MS Paint enable introductory delineation, shapes and color cropping. It supports JPEG, GIF, BMP and CNG. How to print in MS Paint. For printing, one needs to go to the file tab and then on print and dialog box open to choose as per your requirement and then click on print. This is also a shortcut. There is also a shortcut key for printing. Just press Ctrl+P and click on print in the open dialog box. What are the differences between save and save as? In save is used to save changes in the existing document without changing the file name, while a save as is used to save the document for the first time or with a new name. Thank you. Namaste. What is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is essentially a graphic representation software application that comes in the same package of software as MS Access, MS Excel, MS Word, MS Paint issued by MS Access, MS Excel, MS Word, MS Paint issued by Microsoft Office. It is a software that helps us writing or arranging the data and information in the form of slides, which enhances the clarity and communication of the subject, along with adding a visual aspect to the data, which makes it more appealing and presentable. Thus, it can be used for presenting business ideas and plans, and visually presenting the data also makes learning with the data a lot easier. Thus, we can use this can be used by teachers in schools for making learning fun and complicated. Meaning of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software that is designed to make graphic representation in the form of individual pages, also known as slides. Features of PowerPoint. Some of features available in Microsoft PowerPoint are stated below. Customizing color schemes, adding animations, creating and editing tables, creating images, adding, managing hyperlinks, creating custom show graph, creating and importing charts, exporting to MS Word. How to start PowerPoint? To start PowerPoint, click on start icon. Start icon. Click the following in. Click stated all programs equal to greater than Microsoft Office equal to greater than Microsoft Office PowerPoint. The Microsoft Office PowerPoint will appear starting the software. How to open a blank presentation? By default, we can open PowerPoint for the first time. It opens to a new presentation for future purposes. If you want to open a new presentation, we can do so by following the below given steps. Click on the new presentation link on the Getting Started panel on the left. Which results in preparation of a new window. Select on blank presentation. When the new presentation appears along with it, a layer panel on the right will appear. Also select any desired layout of the list. Opening a new presentation. Usage of PowerPoint. Usage of PowerPoint in education. Since PowerPoint offers the feature of adding images in animation learning by visualization, making the learning experience more fun and simplified. And researchers state that visual information is retained for a longer amount of time, thus makes the whole process more beneficial. Usage of PowerPoint. In business is mainly about creating a well laid out roadmap and planning for the project at hand. Then executing it with PowerPoint, we can ensure a more organized output with a solid structure. Use of PowerPoint for government or citizen services. PowerPoint is also a good option from other software bundled within MS Word. MS Office for storing records, and since it is also printable, it provides easy access to the records for government and citizen services to the seekers. Summary: MS PowerPoint is an application for making graphical representation, thus adding a visual aspect to our data, enhancing its concept and leading to easier communication. This software offers various features like customizing columnar schemes, adding graphics, image, and animation. Thus it serves as an excellent feature under MS Office. Sample questions: how can we review or run a presentation? To run a presentation, either click on the Fab 5 key or select play from beginning on the slide panel. How can we add a blank slide to our presentation? For adding a new slide in the presentation, simply click on the slide icon in the adjacent tab and choose the type of slide you want to add from the drop down menu, which unfolds on the screen. Practice questions: state whether the following statement are true or false. In PowerPoint, we can use animation. PowerPoint cannot be used to store records. PowerPoint allows us to graphically represent data. We cannot export data from PowerPoint to PowerPoint to Word. In PowerPoint, we can use animations. True. PowerPoint cannot be used to store data. False. PowerPoint allows us to graphically represent data. True. We cannot export data from PowerPoint to Word. False. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate examples. We can add graphics, images, and animations, which gives a presentation a visual aspect. PowerPoint is software designed and issued by Microsoft Office. PowerPoint represents information in the form of individual terms such as slides, graphics, animations, and धन्यवाद. Thank you. Namaskar. Introduction to MS Word. MS Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft that is one of the most widely used programs in Microsoft Office suite. Word processing MS Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft that is one of the most widely used programs in the Microsoft Office suite. Word processing is a program that allows you to create letters, reports, newsletters, tables, and web pages from letters, brochures, and web pages. You can use this application program to add images, tables, and charts to your documents. You can also use a spell check and a grammar checker. Main features of MS Word. Features of MS Word Home. This is MS Word feature include options such as font colors, font size, font style, alignment, bullets, line spacing, and so on. Furthermore, the home option contains all of the basic elements that a user may require to edit the document. Insert in the document, you can include tables, description, image, charts, graphs, and a header, a footer, or page number, and so on. The insertion category of Microsoft contains these features. Design. Using this MS Word feature, you can create or select the template or design under the design tab in which you want document to be. Selecting an appropriate tab will improve the appearance of your document in MS Word. Page layout. This MS Word feature under the page layout, it includes options such as margins, orientation, columns, lines, indentation, and spacing, and so on. Differences. This tab is the most useful feature of Microsoft Word for those who are writing a thesis, books, or long documents. This tab contains options such as footnotes, tab of contents, captions, bibliography, and so on. Review. Under the review tab, you can keep track of your spelling, grammar, thesaurus, word count, language translation, comments, and more. It also helps people who check their documents in Microsoft Word. Working with MS Word 2013, Microsoft Office 2013 is a version of Microsoft Office Microsoft Windows productivity suite with the word processing program. Word 2013, you can make a range of documents including letters, flyers, and reports. Steps to start MS Word 2013 click the start button, select all programs, select Microsoft Office from the menu option, select Microsoft Word 2013. Elements of MS Word 13 ribbon. The panel of the document is the ribbon. There are 9 tabs: home, design, page layout, references, mailings, review, and view are the various options. Home, copy, font, text, style, and editing, insertion, pages, tables, illustrations, links, comments, header, and any foreign text or symbols that you wish to use. Design, watermark, page color, themes, page border, page layout, setup, arrange, and paragraph, footnotes, and tables of contents are references, mailings, create, start mail, merge, edit data, and add features, add feeds, view results, and finish review, editing, tracking, changes, comparing, and protecting, viewing options, document views, macro, show, zoom, window, rulers. The ruler shows scales on both the horizontal and vertical axes that reflect the size of your typing area. Vertical and horizontal scroll bar. Document Windows scroll bar is located at the bottom and right. Status bar. The Windows bottom contains the status bar. It displays about the current document, such as its word doc count and page count. Open existing document. The steps are as follows: click the button on the left panel after selecting the file tab. A list of recently used documents is also shown in the right panel of the open document history. Note: by pressing CTRL, you can also open previous saved document. Points to remember: use of MS Word can use write article, produce documents, resumes, contracts. 5 different viewpoints are available in Micro Soft Word: print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline, and draft. Microsoft Word was first released in 1983 and has been updated numerous times since then. Summary: letters, brochures, business cards, catalogs, books, and any other types of publication can be created using MS Word. By using the available templates, the manual will assist users in becoming familiar with MS Word interface. Learning by doing. Choose the correct answer. In MS Word, we can choose the entire document by double clicking, CTR plus triple clicking. Connecting a document is known as typing, editing, formatting, deleting. In MS Word, we can add text inside already written text, true, false, unsolved questions. Solved questions. How can you start MS Word? Clicking the start button, select all programs from the main submenu, select MS Office, select MS Word, in which view headers and footers are visual. Page layout view. The MS Word styling, each feature, each word art. Thank you. Namaskar. Introduction to MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet-based software developed by Microsoft that allows the user to store, organize, and analyze information on various types of data. Anyone can use Excel for certain activities like keeping a budget, organizing training logs, creating invoices, etc. Makes it easy to work with different kinds of data types of Excel cells. Cell references in Excel. A worksheet in Excel is made of cells. These cells can be referred by specifying the row value and column value. There are different types of cells referred to in Excel. You can use relative cell reference, absolute cell references, mixed cell references. Let us learn about them briefly. Relative cell references. This is the most widely used type of cell references in formula. Relative cell references are basic cell references that change and adjust when copied or using autofill. Absolute cell reference. And absolute cell reference is a cell reference in a spreadsheet application that remains constant even if the shape or size of the spreadsheet is changed or the reference is moved or copied to another cell or sheet. Mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference is a type of absolute reference in which either the column is made constant or the row is made constant. When we make any column or row or column other than the column name or row number does not change as we copy the formula to another cell. Difference between absolute cell and reference and relative cell reference. Relative cell reference in Excel columns are represented alphabetically and row numerically. In MS Excel columns are represented alphabetically and rows numerically. In Excel reference is relative reference. Relative reference in Excel formulas. In Excel, if you want to use formula in a particular cell and want to copy it another cell, then you should use a relative reference. When to use relative cell reference in Excel? When we need to create a formula for a certain range and the formula needs to refer to a relative cell reference, then we can use it absolute cell reference in Excel. In Excel, in absolute reference is a fixed reference in a formula. It will only refer to the specific row and columns. It will not change when the formula is copied to another cell or while using a photo field. By using the dollar sign, you can make cell in any cell in absolute use of dollar sign. When a dollar is sign is added in front of the row or column, it means cell's values will not change while copying it to another cell or the cell makes a cell reference absolute. When to use absolute cell reference in Excel, when we don't want to change the Excel reference while copying the formula, then we can also use absolute cell reference when we have fixed values depending on what we want to use formula. Summary. MS Excel is a spreadsheet-based software that is commonly used to record and analyze numerical data irrespective of how small or large quantity of data may be. It does not matter. Excel makes it easier for us. Excel is used by people dealing with complicated data. A worksheet in Excel made of cells. These cells can be referenced by specifying the row value and column value. The power of Excel lies in the fact that you can use these cells references in other cells when creating formulas. Practice questions. Which of the following is a type of cell reference? Mixed, absolute, relative, all of the above. Each spreadsheet software used to record and analyze numerical data. MS Excel, MS Word, MS Office, MS Paint. What is the role and type of Excel referencing in a spreadsheet? Relative cell reference. It does not contain dollar sign in a row or column. Example A2 relative cell reference type in Excel changes when formula is copied or dragged to another cell. In absolute cell reference contains dollar sign attached to each letter or number in a cell reference. What is Excel used for? In a worksheet, relative cell is provided by Microsoft Excel. MS Excel provides relative cell reference, which is powerful data visualization and analysis software which uses spreadsheets to store, organize, and track data sets. Which functions and formulas? Excel is used by marketers, accountants, data analysts, and other professionals. Thank you. Namaskar. Making comparison between WordPad and Notepad. What is Notepad and WordPad? Notepad is a basic Microsoft Windows software which is a simple text editor that enables you to create documents with it. Formatting choices like color, paragraph, alignment, a bullet list, etc. are not supported. WordPad is a basic editing tool that also aids in the creation of documents such as letters, reports, notes, other types of papers with some additional formatting features including adjusting the font size, color, and formatting options including bold and italics. Notepad is a basic Microsoft Windows software which is a simple text editor that enables you to create documents with it. Formatting choices like color, paragraph, alignment, a bulleted list, etc. are not supported. Features of WordPad and Notepad. Below are the features of Notepad. By creating notes or documents, Microsoft Windows operating system includes Notepad, a plain text editor. It lacks a text formatting requirements, so it is generally used for documents, producing web pages, HTML documents, and developing scripts or simple computer programs. Formatting choices like color, paragraph, alignment, a bulleted list, etc. are not supported. It helps with file when formatting is not really important and simply deals with text, note, pictures, or paragraphs or graphs. The files are saved by Notepad in the text format. Some of the basic features of Notepad are as follows. Despite offering greater formatting choices, WordPad is similar to Notepad. When creating papers or preparing documents that you wish to print, WordPad fits brilliantly. It is capable of adjusting the font size, color, and formatting options, including bold and italics. Additionally, you can make bulleted lists and align paragraphs. The files are saved by WordPad as .rtf files. WordPad may be used to enter data, photos, URL, and it is especially used for composing brief essays, letters, and notes. Difference between WordPad and Notepad. Basics: Notepad, WordPad. Complexity: it is Notepad. It is a straightforward tool for entering the basic plain text. WordPad compatibility is advanced and with more functions. There are no formatting choices in it. It is just basically it facilitates facilitates the creating of documents that contains visual and a variety of text formatting choices. Availability in the Windows operating system comes within this text editor. Also incorporated with Windows operating system is a text editor file extension. It can only save file with the text extension .txt. Both .txt and .rtf text files format files can be saved with to saved files. Save files. Release time. It was released in the year 1983. Microsoft released it with together with Windows 95. Summary: Notepad is a Microsoft Windows plain text document editor and creator and editor. WordPad is a straightforward text editing program that you can use to make and modify documents and edit text a variety of fonts and colors. Solved. WordPad is capable of adjusting font size, color, and formatting options, including bold and italics. The files saved by Notepad in the .txt format in the files saved by WordPad as r.rtf files. What is a horizontal and vertical scroll bar? The horizontal scroll bar is present at the bottom of the window. The text on the screen's left and right side can be seen or read using this bar. The vertical scroll bar will appear on the window's right side when the text does not fit on a single screen. It is helpful to read the text on the screen. You may move it up and down. Horizontal. What is the notepad? What is notepad format menu? File, editing, format, view, and help. Options are available in the menu bar. The file menu contains the following options: new, open, save as page, set, print, exit. Options for editing are provided by the edit box. These are capable choices of undo, cut, copy, paste, delete, find, replace, go to, select all, and time, date. All font properties are controlled by the file options. Learning by doing, right, true or false. WordPad is a plain text document creator and editor. True or false. Notepad is a paid application for Windows. True or false. The files are saved by WordPad as .rtf and files. True false. True or false. Notepad lacks text formatting requirement TNF. Thank you.